In this video, we will walk you through your sprayer and main components. You will get a spray gun with a 515 spray tip extension, fleshies valve, hose clamp, wrench set, and a brush. There is also a quick startup guide, troubleshooting guide, and user manual from which you can always consult for more information about the operation. Let's start with our main control settings. The on or off power switch controls the main power of your sprayer. Make sure the power is off whenever not in use. The pressure control knob adjusts the spray pressure. Always start at the lowest pressure setting and increase the pressure until you achieve an acceptable spray pattern. The push start valve assures fast priming with every use. Push twice before startup to activate priming. Your sprayer has two tubes. The suction tube draws the paint into the pump, while a smaller drain tube is used for draining waste material from the pump. The prime or spray valve directs the fluid to either the drain tube or the gun. Always set the prime or spray valve in the prime position between uses. The clamp helps to attach the two tubes to the sprayer or to the bucket. Our guns come with a 515 reversible spray tip and guard, which is ideal for most paints on large surfaces. The spray tip has the ability to be reversed and quickly clear clogs. If you plan to spray stains or need a different spray fan width, refer to your operator's manual for the recommended spray tip. Note: always keep the trigger lock engaged whenever not spraying. Now, you have a general concept of your sprayer. Let's get started up in the next episode. Thanks for watching. We are always here to help.